Amazing family, we have a situation here where our vehicle is not starting. It's cranking very well, but it's not starting. That is this Pathfinder. I'm going to show you the connection between the EGI relay and the fuel pump fuse. The electronic gasoline injection relay has a strong connection with the fuel pump system of this vehicle. Without it, there's no fuel circulation in the vehicle. So we're going to troubleshoot this relay. This is location of the relay. It has two terminals which is of interest to us. That is the EGI relay there. So we'll put our test lamp in the negative part and test it, just like I'm doing now. Test it in the positive to be sure that there's a positive current coming there. As you can see, there's no positive signal here. There should be a positive signal coming here, like you can see in the battery post, but there's none here. So if you test the other side for negative signal, you will see a negative signal in this other terminal post. There's supposed to be a positive signal and a negative signal that ensures that the connection is complete. So let's get to the fuel pump fuse and see the magic here. The fuel pump fuse is the fourth one, as you can see me counting, the fourth one in the second column. Now look at this. Let me on the touch. Now look at this. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the fuel pump fuse. Let's pull it out. Okay. Now look and see. It's blown. You can see that it's blown. I'll get another fuse and fix back here, and you see the magic, showing the connection between this EGI relay and the fuel system of this vehicle, which you might want to check first to be sure that your vehicle fuel system is actually okay. Now watch as I test. See, now there's a current here, a positive current coming here. And that's the magic, guys. So we'll fix back the relay and start the vehicle, and you'll see how the vehicle will now run smoothly. Let's do that together. Wow, that started. So guys, that's the fix. Let's confirm the engine running. That's it. So subscribe to get more of these videos. I have so many more. See you in the next one.